Welcome to another Fishbowl tutorial by Brando Consulting. I'm Lance, inventory software expert since 2006, and in this video, I'm going to show one of our clients how to fix a screwed up work order. And they were gracious enough to give us permission to share this helpful video with you. Okay, in this video, we're going to show you how to fix a screwed up work order. So what we did is we were messing around and we consumed when short, which is generally a bad thing to do. In this case, it was bad. So we're going to fix it. And to do that, we first create a new manufacturer order and we click this magic little green plus sign over here on the right. Click right there. And it gives us some options. We've got a reverse or a disassemble. Now these two are slightly different, but similar. The reverse, you choose an existing bill of materials. A disassemble, you choose a finished work order. It's the disassemble that we want to fix a screwed up work order. That's what we have to do. We have to disassemble it. So I'm going to click disassemble, click, and click next. And notice it has us select a work order. So the work order we're going to select is the one we screwed up. So which one was it that we screwed up? I can't remember. It's like 1766 something. Is that right? We should go look it up. What was it? Let's go back to picking, find the work order that we messed up. What was it? 107566? Yeah, it was one of these, huh? It was a 107561. So 105761. Remember that. Click the little green plus sign, disassemble. 107561, 107561. Yeah, we screwed these two up. So we need to fix both of these. So we'll select that one, click finish. Yep, we'll just do the full quantity. And then 107561. There's the other one we screwed up. Click next, next, finish. Okay, so we got two disassembles. We click issue. And then notice the work order details puts it back. So the previous finished good is now the raw good, and the previous raw goods are now the finished good. And in this case, labor is what it was. But at least this will reverse the journal entry that went to QuickBooks, because the previous one, it absorbed labor into this finished good, and now it's going to unabsorb it and put it back, right? Take it back off the balance sheet, put it back into direct labor absorption. Okay, so we just finish off these work orders. Click finish, just like we normally would. And it's going to pick the finished good that we previously made without the parts. That was the problem. That's where we screwed up, is we consumed nothing to create it. And so we're going to go back and do it again. But this just reverses it. Okay. So there's no undo button. There's a disassemble work order. So we just disassemble it. And now we've got to do it again, but this time do it right. So I'm going to go back to the manufacturer order that had the two finished work orders on it that were screwed up, and put those work orders back on. So I just copy what's down here. You know, there's the blue check mark tells me which one I finished wrong. And I can put those back on QM. And I can't see that very well. QM dark bronze 8-inch, QM dark bronze. There we go. Put that sucker back on there. And then we've got 110 of the ZQM dark bronze, 110 of the ZQM dark bronze 3.5 inch. And then notice they're yellow. As soon as I click save in the top left-hand corner, they'll turn green. And they're back on there. Okay, we're back where we started. Now we have another chance to do it right. So this time, when we close out this work order, we're going to be sure to pick and consume all the quantity we're supposed to do. And there's how you fix a screwed up work order that you finished. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. To see more Fishbowl tutorial videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If something wasn't clear or confusing at all, please ask away in the comments section below. And if you found this helpful, please hit like below, and we'll make more like this for you.